This is a review of the TONOR TC 777 plug-and-play USB microphone. Here's the box that it comes in. Let's take a look inside. It comes with a TONOR microphone, a stand where the microphone goes in. You can also turn the microphone on its side like so. There's a long USB cord. It's got folding feet. You can fold in or out. At the bottom of the feet you've got rubber knobs so it doesn't slip on your desk. You've got a mini shock mount that the microphone fits in. You also have the pop filter which reduces the popping noises when you speak. It also comes with a wind filter which you can put over the microphone like so. You also get a manual instruction book which comes in multiple languages besides English. Inside it'll show you the Apple computer setup, Windows setup. You don't really need to read the instructions because it's just plug and play. You simply plug in your USB cord and you're ready to go. You also get a service card which offers a 2 years replacement warranty. Plus the microphone is compatible with Macs and PCs. The beautiful thing about this mic is that it lets you get everything done at once and there's no need to worry about buying accessories. Later on I'll talk about who the mic is for, some of its uses, some of the cons, and what the price of the mic is. Now I'm going to do a sound test so you can hear what it sounds like. Here's what the microphone sounds like when I'm really close to it. Here's what the microphone sounds like when I'm about 6 inches away. Here's what the microphone sounds like when I'm about 12 inches away. Here's what it sounds like when I'm off to the side. Here's what it sounds like when I'm off to this side. Here's what the mic sounds like with the windshield over it. Do you notice any difference? Here's what the keyboard sounds like when it's right in front of the microphone. Here's what the keyboard sounds like when it's behind the microphone. Normally when I'm recording a live stream or a regular video, I'm about this close to the mic. Let me know in the comments below how it sounds to you. Okay, now I'm going to compare the sound with the sound of the Blue Snowball mic. Here's how it sounds if I'm really close to the mic. Here's how it sounds if I'm about 6 inches from the mic. Here's how it sounds if I'm about 12 inches from the mic. Here's how it sounds about 6 inches away to the side, 6 inches away from the other side. Here's how the keyboard sounds when I'm in front of the mic. Here's how the keyboard sounds when it's at the back of the mic. Let me know in the comments below which mic you prefer, the TONOR mic or the Blue Snowball mic. Okay, now let's discuss some of the cons of the mic. I think it could do with a taller stand, though I do like the rubber boots at the end of the legs. I like all the accessories like the stand, the pop filter, the mini shock mount, but it would be great if it came with an arm, which you have to purchase separately. I'll place a link in the description to an arm you can purchase if you want. Another thing it doesn't have is an on and off switch, so if you don't want your computer to recognize it as an input, you would need to unplug it. The sound is crisp and clear, but I still prefer the sound of the Snowball, which is about the same price. I don't think the sound sensitivity is high enough to pick up a musical instrument, which you typically would play further away from the microphone. So who is this microphone for? Definitely it's a great microphone for content creators on YouTube. It would be suitable for gaming, live chatting, live streaming, Zoom calls, Skype calls, and even podcasting. So what's the cost of this TONOR microphone? It's currently on Amazon for only $42.99, which includes free shipping. Overall, it's a great microphone for beginner YouTubers because it's very inexpensive, plug and play. You simply plug this USB cord into the back of your computer and you're ready to go. And it'll be a great microphone for gaming, online chatting, Zooming, Skype, etc. Click the link in the description to read the reviews on Amazon, and don't forget to post your opinions in the comments below.